Now continue to modeling column C1. Add the grid line D4 and D2A. Click on the column. Top at the level 16 story is correct. The section, create the new section 600 multiply with 600 millimeter. Okay. And concrete class we use 40. Auto alignment, you can use it. Click. You see here auto alignment at the center. And concrete cover we use 30 millimeter, and we keep the auto alignment. Click. It is very easy how you can use a different option to model columns in Tekla Structural Designer. Check for the other grid line C1. Yeah, it's the same. Can model at the grid line B1 4. And the column is the same. We just change the section. Click, create new section 700 multiply with 700 millimeter. Seal it. And for this column, it is the mirror from the column grid line D5. Now click on the column. Don't worry. Review. Copy property. Select the source column. Select the second column. Change the alignment where it is alignment. Yeah. Top to the bottom. Okay. Now you see here, I show you every technique you can model and copy the property. It is easily and quickly to model concrete column in Tekla Structural Designer. Continue complete this model. Grid line B2 5 600 400 is the same, so you can model column, review, copy 400 600 for C5 600 400. Continue to this column. Home, model, click, or you can use the same with the seal the column index and select on it. Click on the grid line directly. This is a similar method you can use it quickly to complete concrete column modeling. Now I want to use different technique. Click, review, copy, click. In the modeling, I want to show you step by step from the scratch how you can model and how you can correct the mistake. 400 600 we can do the same. Home, model, column, change the orientation 0 degree, alignment, measure axis, alignment at the center, measure axis at the center 0, and the minor axis from the top is 150, or from the left or right you can check it. Now I want to compare the right 150. Now continue for the column. Check it again. The dimension of column 500 multiplied with 600 is not 400. Can use the same technique there. Create new section 500. Okay, check the alignment 150 300. It's correct right now. You see here it aligned at the same distance 150 from the right. Okay, it's correct. C9 400 600. Change orientation 0. Change the measure alignment from the top 450. And from the left 150 minor axis. Sorry, minor. Dear column C10 500 600. It's the same with the column grid line D1. Okay, now I just click one column, double and copy from the column. Check alignment the mini axis at the center. Change it. Alignment mini axis center 0. Enter. And the measure axis from the bottom is 150. Column C11 600 400. Change the alignment. Less 250. Yes, it's the same with the column. You can copy property directly. (400) multiplied with 400 millimeter model column. Orientation 45 degree. Change to the define 45 degree. Concrete 40. Section 400 multiplied with 400. Auto alignment can keep in the default. Click and click. change the alignment at the center. Alignment at the center. Now we complete modeling column.